As a wholesaler and a flipper, a lot of my deals end up listed for sale on the open market. That means I need an agent who can do the listing for me. So on this video, I'm going to show you how to get a full service listing for only 1% instead of the typical 2.5% to 3%, saving you thousands of dollars in commissions. I'll even show you a live call where I get an agent to agree to a 1% listing on one of my recent deals. All that and more coming up.
For a limited time, you can get a free copy of Jerry Norton's Agent Scripts with scripts and checklists for getting agents to write your offers and bring you deals. Download it now at agentofferscripts.com.
It doesn't matter if I'm doing a full-blown rehab on a fix and flip or I'm simply doing a takedown deal where I buy the house, clean it out, and then resell it. Getting the property listed for sale on the MLS will always get the highest paying buyer. Once a property is listed on the MLS, not only do all of the agents who have buyers see it, but it automatically rolls over to Zillow, Redfin, Realtor.com, and all the other public sites that buyers are using. In other words, once on the MLS, everybody and their brother is going to see your property for sale. My goal in my flipping business is to get as many deals as I can on the MLS. Now you could do a flat fee service like brokerless, but the service that you're getting is going to be very limited, which might be okay in certain circumstances. But what if you could get a full service listing without paying a full service price? When I do virtual deals, I usually want a full service agent because they are connected to local resources. For example, recently I did a takedown deal in Vidor, Texas. Now, I've never done a deal there, so I don't have any connections. The 1% listing agent, Jenna, who I ended up getting, connected me to a locksmith to change the locks and a trash out guy to haul away the remaining items that the seller left behind. She would also be a great source of any other contractors that I might need, not to mention an expert in that particular local market. So let me explain how to get a full service agent for a 1% list fee. First of all, the only way an agent will take on a listing for 1% is if they are investor friendly. An investor-friendly agent understands what a flipper is trying to do, make a profit, and usually doesn't need convinced as to the benefits of taking on your listing for only 1%. They already get it. In a minute, we'll cut to a call where the agent Jenna, who agreed to do my listing for 1% on the Texas deal, told me she is also an investor herself and often works with other investors and even works with wholesalers. However, a retail listing agent, on the other hand, is a much harder sell. You will have to show them why it's advantageous for them. So first of all, let them know that as an investor, you'll be easy to work with. Explain your intent is to price the property to sell quickly. You want to move it fast, so they won't be investing a lot of time on your listing.
Still paying for property data? PropWire gives you unlimited property data, comps, and more for free. Download the PropWire app on the App Store or Google Play Store today.
Explain to them that your goal is to do multiple deals a year in that particular market and that you intend on providing ongoing repeat business for that agent. Explain to them that you will pay the full 3% to a buyer's agent who brings an acceptable offer, and they can earn that 3% as well for a total of 4%. In my experience, I would say 25 to maybe 50% of the time, the listing agent will also bring a buyer. Okay, so to show you what this conversation looks like, let's cut to a call where I get the agent to agree to 1%. Good. I'm an investor. I'm also a real agent in Michigan.
Cool.
Yeah. So I reached out to went on the Real website and saw that you service, is it Vidor or Vidor?
Yeah, Vidor.
Vidor,
yes.
Yeah. So I do real estate flipping all over, and I'm in the process of buying a property this week. I think Friday we close. This is a property that I'm just going to be purchasing, probably do a clean out, new pictures, and put up for sale. I'm buying it directly from the seller.
Okay.
What I typically do is I seem to be able to find another real agent that'll do a 1% listing for me.
Mm-hmm.
And I was calling to see if that was something you could do.
Yeah, I mean, to be transparent, I'll probably just throw up, iPhone pictures and not put a lot into it,
Totally.
Do you need me to run comps and stuff, or do you already have that in mind as far as like resale price goes?
I don't know that market super well, so I could send you my file I have now, all the stuff in there. It was a great deal. They've gone through all of that. obviously, and there's 2 heirs that have been living in it. So they'll be vacating. I did a little early release of some cash so that they could move. But I imagine they're going to probably leave behind some things. If they do, then I'll need to find someone that can clean it out. They're supposed to leave it pretty much empty.
Okay.
Yeah, I would need you to just swing by, maybe put a lockbox on it, take some pictures, let me know what's going on.
Okay.
And that's it.
Yeah. Send me the address, and that way I can start. And then any like recent pictures that you have of it right now, just to kind of give me an idea, beds, baths, and so I can kind of have a number in mind.
Yep.
And then you just keep me updated with whenever they move their stuff out or whatever. How am I going to get the key, or do I need to meet? They're going to hide it, or I can meet them.
Yeah, I'll see if they can leave it on the meter or something like that. I'll let you know. Also, is this your cell phone that I called on?
Yes. Yep.
Okay, so I'll text you address, a Google Drive link with the pictures.
Okay.
I think that's it for now, but we're supposed to close Friday, so
cool.
Yep.
Okay. Yeah. All right. Well, I would love to help you. I'm an investor myself.
Okay.
And we had 20 rental properties, but we have been selling a lot of them. We just kind of over leveraged ourselves, and so trying to like restructure our portfolio and everything. So,
in Viter, do you have rentals?
I have one inviter.
Okay.
So not too many inviter. So,
gotcha.
People buy there. It's, that's a little bit closer to the coast. So you really have to make sure about flooding and flood zone over there. Just any like future properties that you're thinking about buying over here, run it by me because, I live here. I invest in Jefferson County, Hardin County, and then, I only have Orange County, I only have Viter. But I've got properties in Beaumont, Nederland, Lumberton, Silsbee, Koontz. So,
Well, I mostly wholesale, and then when it's appropriate, I'll purchase.
Yeah.
In this case, they did not want anybody in the house. I do that a lot too, where I'll just buy it, trash it out, relist it on the MLS. So.
Yeah. Cool. I'm happy to help there.
Okay.
To be transparent, like I have a girl that works on my team that works with wholesalers. I actually gave her my wholesale clients. So if you have one, and I don't know, maybe the process is different with you, but it was too much running around for me. They had me having their documents signed, and it was just a lot of work up front to be able to know if it's a good deal. So, if it's just a standard one-time close, I'm good. But if it's like a double close, I'd probably refer that out to my friend Brittany. So,
gotcha. Yeah. This is not a double close. I don't have a predetermined buyer. So it'll just go straight on the MLS, and then, but my goal is to price it aggressive where it sells fast. So
yeah, for sure. Send that over to me, and then, I will make an appointment, I guess, next week to go over there and get it listed for you. So
awesome. And I'll let you know on where we're going to put the key.
Okay.
Okay. Thanks, Jenna. Talk to you soon.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, bye.